What's up everyone, it's a new year and in this video I want to talk to you about the best online businesses to start with little to no capital, even if you're a total beginner. Coming up, I'm a firm believer that anyone could start a business. All you need is an idea and you need to take action, of course guys. This is so important. I'll go in depth into some of these ideas in the future, but this is enough as an introduction to get you moving in the right direction. At the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how you can transform any idea you have into a real business. I need you to stay with me here because this detail is so important and you don't want to miss it, guys. But before we start, give this video a like because it would really help me out and it would motivate me to put in the time and the effort to deliver more quality content for you guys. And if you'd like to become part of the family who shares positive vibes, hungry for success and want to change your life for the better, make sure you subscribe to the channel. With that said, let's get going. Just want to mention that I'll be leaving links to everything I discuss for your convenience, guys, down in the description. The first idea I have for you guys is one that I enjoy working on. It's creative, fun, rewarding, and it's growing really fast on a global level. Welcome to print on demand, POD in short. The idea of this business in a nutshell is you make a design and upload it to a print on demand platform. You set your price, colors, sizes, etc. Then when the design sells, you get a commission or royalty at the end of every month. So it can be really passive if you want it to be. Okay, you might say, I don't know how to design, or I'm not good with computers, or I don't know where to start, etc. Don't worry about it because I'll give you pointers throughout this video so you don't feel lost. So now let me walk you through some of the POD platforms. My favorite one is Merch by Amazon. It belongs to Amazon, of course, and it has a huge marketplace with the prime advantage, and you can sell your apparel in 3 marketplaces. So they have US, UK and Germany. You can now deliver to many countries in the world, which is fantastic, so you have more people to sell to. And it is, however, by invite only. So you make an application and hope for the best, right? Check out my tutorials on how to apply for Merch by Amazon up here. I'm gonna leave it up here for you guys. If you're not a designer, no problem. You can either hire a designer on Upwork, Fiverr or onlinejobs.ph if you want them to make custom designs, or even better, get ready designs from design services like Vexels. They're my favorite because they have more of a high quality designs than what's generally in the market. They do custom design requests as well, plus much more. I did a review on their service not too long ago, so check it out here, guys. I'm gonna leave it up here for you guys. Also, I'll leave links to the main tools I use for print on demand and that have worked for me, so you don't have to waste time on research and trial and error. And we all know that this wastes a lot of time, right? The next one that I like is Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. What you want to do here is put your designs in paperback book covers and fill the inside with lined journal type interiors or music sheets or planners, whatever the audience you want to target. It's awesome and you can make a ton of money with it. I'll leave some links to KDP tools that I use down in the description, again for your convenience, so make sure you check them out. Next, it's Etsy. It's a handmade only marketplace. It generally has a more premium clientele who doesn't shy away from paying a premium price if they like what you're offering, of course. And it's also mainly women shoppers, which is fantastic. As we know, women love to shop, right? You can sell just about anything on there that is handmade. So candles, jewelry, digital downloads like apparel, mock-ups, your own fonts or designs, plus much more. But since we're talking about POD, you can link Etsy with Printful, who will fulfill your apparel orders when you make a sale on Etsy. Again, I'll leave a link to Printful so you can see how it all works. For print on demand, I did a ton of videos on Merch by Amazon, which explains in detail how you should approach this business and pretty much what you should do to get started. So make sure you watch them on my channel. There are many more platforms such as Redbubble, Spreadshirt, TeePublic, Zazzle. By all means, do your research and see which one works for you. The main thing is get started and see what happens, right? Just give it a go, try it out. The next idea is opening an online store. There are various ways you could approach this business. Remember, we spoke about POD just now. Well, you could sell your own designs via an online store, either as digital downloads or physical apparel items through Printful or other POD suppliers. You could sell a physical product that you have a manufacturer produce for you, or you could do drop shipping. For those of you who don't know what drop shipping is, so drop shipping is essentially listing an item on your website for sale even though you don't have it in stock. Then when it sells, you go ahead and buy it from the supplier and have them ship it to the person who bought it from your website. It's that simple. Just make sure that what you're charging covers the cost of the products from the supplier, plus the shipping cost, plus of course your profit margin, because you don't want to make a loss, you want to make a profit. There are many other ways, guys, but I can't mention everything in this video because of the time constraint. Now, to start an e-commerce website, you need a couple of services. You need an e-commerce platform and a domain name. For me, Shopify is hands down the best e-commerce platform today. It's designed to help people build their own scalable online store with hundreds of built-in features and tons of apps. You can sell products directly on your website and across multiple marketplaces and social media. For domain names, I like Bluehost as it's one of the best cost-effective value for money options out there. They give you free domain names for the first year, free SSL certificate and 24/7 support, which is a nice bonus. The next one is one that is close to my heart and it's one of the best business ideas I like. It's being a coach or a consultant. I've been able to earn some good money on the side coaching people on different areas of business, whether it is on starting a Merch by Amazon business or Etsy or affiliate marketing, the list goes on. I enjoy it because it gets me to meet new people and help them through their journey of being successful. So if you're passionate about teaching like I am, you love doing this. Just make sure you're knowledgeable in that area that you're teaching and you're able to add value. Then you're good to go. This brings us to the next profitable business idea, which is making a course and selling it online, or becoming an infopreneur as they call it these days. The course industry is expected to be a $1 billion a day by 2025. So you can see there's a huge potential for people to get a piece of that cake. If you are great at something or feel passionate about something, believe me, you can start a course on that topic. For instance, one of my hobbies is videography. I'm still developing my skills as a filmmaker, but I know a fair bit. I could make a beginner's course talking about videography from my point of view and show potential students the things that I had to go through to learn and what has helped me reach the level that I am at now, etc. So I plan the content, the course, film it, edit it, and I could be done within, say, a week or so. For you, if you like golf, you could talk about how to play golf, how to draw, how to design with Illustrator or Photoshop. Whatever skill you have, you could teach it in your own way. This is powerful, guys. Just bear in mind, it doesn't have to be perfect, right? Just make sure you add value, you deliver the information that people are looking for, that people will engage with, and that's it, you're good to go. Just think about the entrepreneurship niche, for example. You go to uni and pay a ton of money here in the UK. The fees are insane, over 9,000 a year for uni fees alone, right? The sad part is they don't teach you how to make money, guys. And the great part is you could buy a course online for $20 teaching you how to make money online, and a lot of the time you could benefit from it more. Why? Because it's more practical. You'll be learning from someone who has experience in that field, what they went through, the mistakes they made, and how to avoid them, what has worked for them, etc. You're buying a trial and error time essentially, so you're not wasting time. There are tons of places where you could sell your course, places like Udemy, a huge marketplace for online courses with a great reach. Great thing is you could rank in Google with the right keywords. Imagine you spend a week on creating a course, then you'll start receiving notifications. Oh, you just got $40, you just got $100. Passively. That's awesome, guys. You also have Teachable, Skillshare. Skillshare is slightly different. You get paid royalties by Skillshare based on the number of minutes watched. So the trick here is to create content that is fun, engaging, and keeps the students focused to stay in your class for longer. Plus, you can build a real following with Skillshare. The next business idea I have for you guys is affiliate marketing. For those of you who don't know affiliate marketing, it is the process of making money while you sleep, literally. That's the goal, right? Well, don't be fooled. It can't happen without the right skills and effort. For 99% of people, affiliate marketing is how they get started. And the idea behind it is that you promote other people's products, often through an affiliate network, earning a commission if people actually end up buying through your link, thanks to your marketing and your skills in driving traffic. It's based on revenue sharing. So if you have a product and want to sell more, you can offer promoters a financial incentive through an affiliate program. If you have no products and want to make money, Then you can promote products that you feel has value and earn an income from it as an affiliate marketer. Some of the popular affiliate networks are Amazon Associates, for example. I could leave an affiliate link for you guys to join Amazon Prime and I'll earn a certain amount. Or if I was to do a review and give my honest thoughts on a filmmaking setup, for instance, the good, the bad, the ugly, and say to you guys, hey, check out my filmmaking setup. The link is in the description. If people click on my affiliate link and if they end up buying from my link, either that product or any other product within 24 hours, I'll get commission. The great thing about Amazon is that it's the largest retail website in the world with untold amounts of traffic and a huge potential. People will often click on the link and end up buying something else, and if they buy within 24 hours, you get a commission. This is totally passive, guys, as long as your videos are still online. Sweet, right? I know people who drive traffic through their websites, blog posts, guest posts, forums, Facebook ads, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, social media in general, etc. The limit is your imagination, guys. Some other affiliate networks are ClickBank, Commission Junction, JVZoo, and there's plenty more. The next idea is social media management. So you might be really good at Instagram or Facebook. You know how to create good, engaging, shareable content. It's a great skill, right? You could approach businesses who need that social presence and charge them a fee for doing so. If you get 6 clients at $500 a month, for example, just for posting a few pictures a month, managing comments, doing research, etc., that's still decent money. $3,000 a month. Businesses are starting to wake up to the fact that social media is the marketing strategy of the present and the future, and they need to be on it, but they might lack the skill to do it themselves or don't want to employ a specialist who could cost them a lot of money. So $500 for them is not a big deal if you manage to convince them of the power of social media and why they should be in the game. The trend that I'm seeing now is micro social media agencies. They specialize in only one platform. This is really powerful because if you're really good at one platform and the word goes out, you'll be known as the YouTube guy or the Instagram girl, and you'll be able to gain more clients that way. The next idea is starting a YouTube channel. Yes, that's right. Hey, if you're passionate about a particular topic or you possess a skill within a niche, create a YouTube channel and talk about it. Why not? You could be an entrepreneur who also travels and live in the digital nomad lifestyle. You could talk about that, right? You'll deliver value, give back to the community, earn ad and affiliate income, and maybe secure some hugely rewarding brand deals. The next business idea is freelance. Again, if you have a particular skill, you could provide services in that area. If you're a designer, you could provide your services as a designer. Or if you're a writer or virtual assistant or whatever it is you're good at. I sometimes personally don't have time to create YouTube thumbnails, so I hire someone to do it for me. Being a virtual assistant is one of the hottest things right now, because imagine as more people are becoming entrepreneurs, as more people are moving from the phase of being a solopreneur to scaling their business, virtual assistants are so much in demand. Virtual assistants or VAs are the first people they look to hire, so huge demand right there. It's a great business to start with zero money. Just make sure you upskill yourself to be more competitive in the marketplace. Being an accountant or a bookkeeper is such a profitable business if you have the skill for it. I've been seeing this sector boom lately, especially with the rise of the solopreneurs who need financial advice and actually get their books up to speed. It's something you could do from home on a part-time basis, working for different clients. Plus, it's a high skill task, so the money would be great. You just need to post a gig on Fiverr or Upwork and you're set to go. The next idea I have for you guys is becoming a content creator. Now, let's face it, if more and more people are becoming entrepreneurs, Instagram and YouTube influencers, at some point they're gonna need people to create content for them, right? Think photography, videography, blog writing, copywriting, sales copywriting, and the list goes on. Also, being skilled in these areas will tremendously help you in the long run if you want to become an entrepreneur. You'll have so many skills and you'll be able to start right away with little barriers. Word of advice, try to specialize in one niche if you can, because it will allow you to build a following and people will come to you because you're the best at creating, for example, real estate videos or photos for Instagram influencers, etc. Word of mouth is really powerful, so don't underestimate it. Some of the best platforms that I use are Upwork, Fiverr, onlinejobs.ph, and there's plenty more of course, but these are the ones that I personally personally use. The next idea is Amazon. There are endless business opportunities with Amazon. A profitable FBA business can earn you a lot of money, but you need upfront costs for stock and ad costs, etc. If you're doing private labeling, then you need definitely to invest more, right? Private labeling is when you find an already existing product in the market that is profitable. Reach out to the manufacturer and ask them to make it for you and put your own brand logo on it. But if you're doing retail or online arbitrage, you don't need any money for ads because you'll be buying established brand products at the lowest price possible from retail stores or online and selling them under a well-performing listing on Amazon for those products. Then it just becomes a question of who has more stock if the listing is fast moving. Retail and online arbitrage is an awesome business idea. You can make a ton of money with it if you do the right thing. Next up is eBay. You could just sell about anything on eBay and it's huge. One of the easiest ways to make it on eBay if you don't have capital is to do eBay Amazon drop shipping. You would make a listing on eBay for products that are available on Amazon at a cheaper price than what they sell for on eBay. When you make a sale on eBay, you would go ahead and buy the products on Amazon and have it shipped to the customer who bought from you on eBay. Your profit is the markup you would charge when you sell the products on eBay. That simple, guys. You could also sell thrift shop or car boot sale items on eBay. A lot of the time you'll find rare things that are worth a lot of money. A lot of the time in the past I would even find things and list them on eBay to be surprised that they sold for £300. Just insane. I remember once I bought a Chanel perfume bottle that only had literally a couple of drops on it. I put it on eBay and was astonished when it sold for £95. Just crazy. The next business idea I have for you is meal prep. The biggest currency for people these days is time. If you're a cook and you have time in your hand, you can approach your friends or family members to cook for them certain meals in exchange for a set amount of money per month. I guarantee you'll find an audience for this service because it's a service that solves a massive problem, which is lack of time. And we all know cooking is such a time-consuming task, and it is felt more by time poor people, your career-driven individuals who work long hours and they still need to go to the gym and socialize, etc. Then when you want to scale your business, you can turn this into an online business in your area. The next idea is Airbnb. Yes, you could earn great money renting part of your house, a room for example, or another house if you have to. But here is the deal. You don't have to own a home to actually make money on Airbnb and turn it to your advantage. The latest trend that I've been seeing with Airbnb is this whole thing around becoming a property manager, specifically around Airbnb. You would start contacting landlords and asking them to manage their properties, including cleaning, maintenance, bringing in new clients, etc. Especially that landlords are expanding their businesses and they need people to help them manage their properties. The next idea is starting a membership or subscription program. You need to base this around something that you're skilled in and most people aren't, or something that people find daunting to do or time consuming. So they pay you for easy access to that information. The great thing about this business idea is that people will pay you every month for the service and they'll stay with you if you keep delivering great value. So as an example, I have a membership service for print on demand niches where I find hot niches to get into and share them with my subscribers. If you're one of my print on demand followers, the service is at 50% off, so make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. The next idea is building a software or having it built for you. The best and easiest way to go about this is if you see a new platform lacking functionality, then offer plugins for it that make the use of the platform easier and adds value to the way it's being used. For example, Merch by Amazon had a terrible dashboard when it first came out. Then a few third-party dashboards in the form of Chrome extensions came to the market and dominated. Again, by charging a monthly subscription fee, you're making awesome money, especially if you manage to keep your subscribers by delivering awesome value. So you need to think like this, outside the box. This may need upfront costs, but you can always start something else from ideas I'd already mentioned, then work your way up to this. Now you're pumped, you have all these amazing ideas, right? But my best advice to you is just pick an idea that you like, explore it further, research everything you need to start, and just do it, right? Just do it. Start while you're motivated, while the ideas are fresh in your head. Don't delay, otherwise you will not start. If you're positive and have a winner mindset, that's half the battle won. Keep going no matter what, because if someone could do it, you could too. This has been fun making this video for you guys. It would really help me out and motivate me if you could like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one, and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video so you don't miss anything important. And tell me in the comments below which business idea you like and why. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.